Hello my dear gardeners. Today I will reveal to you one of my favorite ways to make your peppers grow healthy, strong and full of fruit, all using simple ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Before we continue, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel. Like this video and share it with your friends who also love gardening. Write to me below in the comments. Do you grow peppers? Just write yes or no. And be sure to tell me what natural ingredients you use to feed them. As you know, peppers love rich, warm and fertile soil. Many people think that without expensive fertilizers there is no good harvest, but this is simply not true. For decades, I have been feeding my peppers only with what I already have in my kitchen, and believe me, the harvest has always been excellent. Natural feeding strengthens the roots, gives the plants the strength to fight diseases and pests, and the fruits are juicy, large and tasty. This way of care is good for the earth, nature, and for our table. That's why today I'm revealing a simple recipe that I use regularly, especially when I notice that the peppers need a little extra strength. If you like this video and want more useful tips, be sure to like it. Subscribe to the channel and send the link to your friends who are also involved in gardening. Let them try this recipe too. And here is my secret ingredient: dry yeast. Take 10 grams of dry yeast, mix it in 1 liter of lukewarm water, add a teaspoon of sugar and let it stand for about half an hour. Then dilute the mixture with another 9 liters of water. Water the peppers with this solution once every 2-3 weeks. Yeast contains beneficial microorganisms and minerals that help peppers grow stronger and bloom better. You will see results very quickly. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. I hope this recipe will help you make your peppers even more lush and fruitful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and stay tuned for our next videos because together we will always have a healthy and rich garden. See you soon, my dear gardeners.